In front of me is Samsung Tab Active4 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can check a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling down to access Google. Then tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Now to check any password, click on the chosen one and enter your current login method. Then use this eye icon next to your password to make it visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!